Hi, welcome to Go Digital website. And in this episode, we're going to speak about simple search engine website site performance. We made this website, which has an about us, a contact, a cleaning services, a shop, and as well we have different images here, and as well we have the click to action buttons, and as well we upload an image here, where we're linking to a video, which it goes like this here. And as well we have different images. All of the images in this website are optimized before we upload them into the website. And as well we have the footer, and as well we have the blog here, and as well we have the shop. We have the shop with three different products, and as well we have a contact form where we have the contact form here, and as well we have the map here with the directions to the location. And as you can see, this website is not only has different features, but it also has the responsiveness. As you can see, this website can be visible on different devices. As you can see, we can resize to different mobile devices, which is tablets, Androids, smartphones. As you can see, we can go laptops as well. And the website will resize to different mobile devices. And to check the site performance, we're simply going to visit gtmetrics.com, and we're going to enter, and it's fully secure as well. And we're simply going to enter here, and then we're going to test our site. So just wait for a little bit, because there's other websites that are being tested right now at the same time. So we just have to wait for the testing to be done. And as you can see, we got the GT metrics grade, we got an A, we got good performance, we got good structure, good LCPs, and as well we got the LCP measure how long it takes for the largest content element. So this is depending if you have the image or maybe the video here. Sometimes you have big, larger images, then this we get in, because if we upload the images and we optimize them before we upload them, we make the compress the files and make sure we get a good LCP. And we got the TBT, tells you how much time is blocked by scripts during your page loading process. So we do this here, we got good TBT here, and as well we got the good CLS, indicates how much layout shift experienced by visitor as your page loads. As you can see, all the different things here, the different features here are green, and we getting a grade for our site performance. And let's go here. And as you can see, this website is a simple search engine website made with Site Builder through godigitalwebsite.com. We have no extra cost, basic modules, basic products, basic blog, basic contact form, basic format, and how be search engine optimized. And it's possible to make an advanced search engine website, but to make a CMS WordPress advanced web is going to have the extra cost, and you have to pay for the DB team, the $80 a year. You can either choose DB or Elementor. DB is better. You can, if you're planning to do different features, you probably have to get a template Envato for $59 a year or more, or you have to get the Envato element $17 a month, and you have to get the WP Rocker for Sitespeed. And not only you have to get the Sitespeed WP Rocker, you will have to get like a CDN, here, and this way this CDN will cost you another extra money. So we don't know, depending they charge every, depending on how many clicks you get on the CDNs. So it varies from 1 cent to 2 cents. It all depends from different locations. So this advanced search engine websites, they can get pretty expensive. And most of the time, when they're trying to sell you a WordPress website, they only selling you a simple search engine website with not too many features. And to avoid paying the extra cost, and if you're getting a simple search engine website, why not get a simple search engine website with the site builder with no extra cost? You do not have to pay any extra cost for basic modules, basic products, basic blog, basic contact form, basic format, and how to be search engine optimized. And if you're getting a simple website with the CMS WordPress, you will have many different costs, and including for the site performance, it's going to cost you some money. So let's go back here. So as you can see, we're getting a perfect site performance. We got all the green lights here. And if you're planning to build a website, a simple search engine website, I invite you to watch the videos on how we do it. And we're going to include the videos on how to do a website part one, how to do a website part two, how to do the blog, how to optimize all of the content, and as well submit to search engines and local search. And as well, this video here, you are more than welcome to click on the bottom of this video, the different links on the description, if you want to learn how to do a website, a simple search engine website. Okay, guys, so this is it for this video. I hope you have a beautiful day and take care, guys.